After my marriage, when I come here, from that day onwards till now he didn't give any trouble to me. He is whole and soul for me. So suppose somebody will think somebody God is there somewhere like that, but I think first he is the God for me. After that only, because that is the live example for me, like that. And I got lot of freedom here. He encourages in every issue, whether it is useful for others. Some certain things, actually certain things I don't know before that, but after that, after marriage only, through him I learned so many things and so many things. Now I am in this position. I am able to talk with others and then so many people. For that, he is the reason.
For me, Sir has been the most influential person in my life. I have seen him grow through a lot of struggles, and how he had created every situation into an opportunity. And he has started from nowhere, and today he has got such a big empire. He's a great entrepreneur, and he's an extrovert. He always thinks out of the box. He wants to innovate and do something new every time. And more importantly, I adore him more for his qualities. He's very honest. He has no malice. I've never seen him speaking bad even about his enemies. And he has got tremendous amount of patience, which he exhibits every time. And any person that comes in contact with him, he makes him feel so comfortable in all of us. And today our families are more bonded together only because of him. And I adore him like a father, and I adore him more like a great human being. I can just go on and on, but I would just like to say that he's one in a million. And today, on his day of his birthday, I would like to wish him a very happy birthday and a very long and healthy life. And he continues his service to education in the years to come. Have a nice day.
You a very happy birthday, Dad, and praying many more years of health and happiness. You've been an absolute role model and inspiration for many people in your professional and personal life. For me, you're a symbol of patience, grace under prayer, which is your greatest asset. Above all, I think you're absolute salt of the earth. Know where you always know where you came from. Absolutely grounded. That is the best quality I find. And problems that you faced since your childhood to the problems that you face today, it hasn't dented you in terms of the sheer mental strength that you've got. That is something that is quite enviable. And the biggest thing that I can say about you, I don't think there'll be enough superlatives for me to choose from, but you're a thorough people's man. You put their problems ahead of yours, which might not be right all the time, but that's who you are. And well, wishing you even more success in all terms, and wishing you a healthy life above all.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Dad. As a person, since I have known you, I have always learned something from you, like how to be patient, how to be humble, and how to be good to people. You have always inspired me in some way or the other, and I'm really grateful for that. And as a father-in-law, you are way too good, and I wish every girl should get a father-in-law like you, because you are one of your kind. No one can be like you. So once again, I wish you a very, very happy birthday, Dad, and get well soon.
We miss you, sir. We miss you, sir.
Happy birthday.
Coming to Chairman sir, he is a fatherly figure to me, and to tell something about sir which most of you don't know, like he had gone through lot of hardships in his life when he was a teacher, when he was a leader, and whenever it comes and running the school right now, he always sees in terms of keeping in the shoes of the teacher, and then he will take decisions on that, either in the shoe of child or in the shoe of teacher, sees and then takes the decision. In his younger days, he was a very good cricket player. Most of them doesn't know. If he goes to bat, the ball used to fly out of the ground. He was a very powerful hitter. Sir likes to enjoy food, and always makes a point whenever he invites someone. He sees that the spread is awesome, like everyone should go full hands up. But entire his life is dedicated for academics. How should to turn around child? What are the new initiatives? How it should help? And he always feels that every child has some spark. Only as a teacher we need to identify that, and we need to really come to his expected levels and turn around that child. And that's it. Thank you.
Sir, namaskaram. Many, very happy Returns Day. We all love you. We all miss you.
Today is a great day for me, because on this day the Karimnagar is being blessed with a great personality, and I hope you understand about whom I am talking. He is none other than our beloved chairperson Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu, chairman, Paramita Group of Schools, Iris World School and Explorica, a premium school. Really, I am very much thankful to him, and I feel I am a lucky person to be a part of Paramita family, because of his honesty and brilliance in handling a great educational institute like Paramita, Iris World School and Explorica. I have been associated with him for past 11 years, and he has been a guide throughout my journey in Paramita, and today what am I? Only because of him. Really, I am grateful to him. And on this great day, I would like to present something which he likes most, and I would like to present a song on behalf of him. बेजान दिल को तेरे, बेजान दिल को, बेजान दिल को तेरे इश्क ने जिंदा किया, फिर तेरे इश्क ने ही इस दिल को तबाह किया। तड़प तड़प इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दे प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया। हाँ लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में। तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया। हाँ लुट गए।
Good morning, sir. How are you? Today on your birthday, I, my child, Sidra Siddhipree, would like to wish you a happy, many happy returns of the day to you, sir. Come on, Sidra, sing the song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear sir. How are you, sir? Enjoy the birthday. And I couldn't forget you, sir. Really, I miss your birthday. Maybe you're far from the location, but not from my heart. And in my life, only one of the favorite, my role model is only Mr. E. Prasad Rao Garu, which I cannot forget him as you. I really remember all the golden days which I spent in Paramita and a very good life. Each and every moment is important for me. May Allah give you good and sound health and happy life, prosperous life, and whatever your desires comes true. So once again, happy birthday to you, sir.
Hi sir, happy birthday. I take pride in having learned from a human like you, a person like you, a great educator, a great human being and an excellent leader. Actually, you gave me a purpose and a cause to be here in IRIS. I enjoy every moment of being in IRIS, learning many things from you, and I am the happiest one to see the humanity in you which I am carrying forward. Thank you for being there with us and many happy returns of the day from all the children and from all the IRIS family. Enjoy your day and get well soon. Thank you, sir. Regards.
We love you, sir. We love you, sir.
We pray to God that every path you take becomes free of obstacles. Every step you take becomes elevated towards success, and every breath you take brings you closer to the peace. May you have all the joys your heart can hold, all the smiles a day can bring, all the blessings a life can unfold. May you get the world's best in everything, sir. Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir.
Personality like you hold tradition and legacy to the walls of these organizations, which otherwise have been just bricks and mortar structures without any character. Decades later in our lives, we are not going to thank celebrities, role models for inspiring us, but for sure, sir, we are going to thank awesome mentors like you. Happy birthday, sir.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. We wanted to celebrate our beloved chairman's birthday on grand scale. It is known to us, the bite of an ant cannot injure an energetic lion. We knew it well. Within no time, lion will come back to battlefield with renewed vigor and strength. Depth of ocean can be measured, but not your knowledge, sir. You are a living legend and in the field of education. Paramita is a man-making system, but not machines producing place. Under your leadership and guidance, Paramita produced thousands of highly different human beings so far. You are a true educationist and a great visionary. On the auspicious occasion of your birthday, on personal behalf, on behalf of all teachers and on behalf of all the students of Paramita, I wish a very happy birthday to you, sir. God may give you sound health and long life, sir.
Birthdays are life's commerce. They remind us to stop for a moment and celebrate all we have accomplished in the past year. When I look at you, sir, I feel the warmth of your eyes, the wisdom of your words, and the patience you have in delivering them. I treasure all your blessings. All our prayers and wishes are with you. Many more happy returns of the day.
My beloved chairman sir, మీకు పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. Very happy to wish you sir. I wish that the God Almighty may shower His choicest blessings to you on this auspicious day. Let every fraction of your life be filled with happiness and prosperity, and you be the role model for many and many great students in my life. I wholeheartedly wish on behalf of all Paramita students and staff my hearty wishes. Let you get well soon and come back to us immediately. Thank you sir once again. Very very happy birthday wishes on behalf of me. Thank you sir.
Hello sir, Saran here. Wishing you very happy birthday. Initially when I came here I was very upset because it's my first time when I came so far from my place, my native place. Whenever I was down, I was low or I was very happy, you were always there with me to support me, guide me, help me every time. You are so much like a fatherly figure to me. So much. I really seek your support, guidance every time, now and in future as well. The way you lead us, the way you guide us, the way you motivate us is so inspirational. With a leader like you, it's so awesome to work. Work is actually so much fun with you. I am really wishing you lots of happiness, success, prosperity for you this year and upcoming years and many more years. Wishing you happy birthday.
Happy returns of the day, sir. May God bless you in all the endeavors. On behalf of me and all the Paramita primary family, have a wonderful day, sir. May God bless you. Thank you.
This is awesome, Arpita. Happy birthday. Wish you very like a long life. And you're the greatest personality that I've ever met in my life. You inspired me a lot. You're the reason why I'm here in Karimnagar. You rock, sir. Live 1,000 years. Yes, sir. Bye.
20 years ago, this Paramita was started with a big vision by our beloved chairperson Dr. Prasad Rao sir. So we can say one thing is revolutionary changes have been brought into this district by our chairman. So for 20 years many students have been receiving quality education and many of Paramitites are working abroad and rendering unmatchable services in India, and all these things have happened only because of a very big vision of our chairman Dr. P. Prasad Rao. So today is the birthday of our beloved chairperson. So dear chairman sir, we wish you happy birthday. There are many returns of the day, and I pray to God to give you a long and healthy life so that the thousands and lakhs of students have to be shaped in your hand, and we wish you a very very long life. Once again, happy birthday to you, sir.
Bless you, sir. May God bless you, sir. May God bless you, dear sir. Happy birthday to you. Very good. Happy birthday, sir, from Team Explorica. Thank you.
No matter where I go, every time I look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I've known, every seed of greatness you have sown, but your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You carry everywhere in my heart you will always. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me stay. In this moment let me say my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams away with you. All that I can be means so much 'cause you believe in me. You show me how to live with dignity. When the sunset, I can share with you just like a friend. Your love makes smiles and frowns keep me safe. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You carry everywhere in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me stay. In this moment let me say into grace. There's no fear, my dreams end with you.
కోటికో ఒక్కరు ఎప్పుడో ఎక్కడో పుడతారు.
నూటికో కోటికో ఒక్కరు ఎప్పుడో ఎక్కడో పుడతారు. అది మీరే మీరే మాస్టారు, మా దేవుడు మీరే మాస్టారు. అది మీరే మీరే మాస్టారు, మా దేవుడు మీరే మాస్టారు. నూటికో కోటికో ఒక్కరు ఎప్పుడో ఎక్కడో పుడతారు.
దారే దొరకని చీకటిలో తానే వెలుగై నడిచాడు. జాతే ఆ వెలుగన్నాడు. జాతి పిత మన జాతి పిత. దిక్కులు తెలియని సమయంలో తానే దిక్కుగా నిలిచాడు. శాంతిని నేతగా నిలిపాడు. శాంతి దూత మన శాంతి దూత.
జాతి పిత బాపూజీ మీలో వెలిసాడు. ఆ శాంతి దూత నెహ్రూజీ మీలో కలిశాడు.
ఎందరో ఇంకెందరో మీలో ఉన్నారు.
మా దేవుడు మీరే మాస్టారు, మా దేవుడు మీరే మాస్టారు. నూటికో కోటికో ఒక్కరు ఎప్పుడో ఎక్కడో పుడతారు.
జరిగే జీవిత సమరంలో సారే నైతిక విలువల్లో నీతిని నేతగా నిలపాలి నవయువత యువనేత. దొక్కలు మాడే గుండెల్లో నిప్పులు వెలగని గుడిసెల్లో ఆశను జ్యోతిగా నిలపాలి నవయువత యువనేత. ఈ యువతకు తాత గాంధీజీ మీలో మిగిలాడు. ఈ నవతకు నేత నేతాజీ మీలో రగిలాడు. అందరూ అందరూ మీలో ఉన్నారు. దేశానికి మీరే సారథులు, దేశానికి మీరే సారథులు.
నూటికో కోటికో ఒక్కరు ఎప్పుడో ఎక్కడో పుడతారు. నూటికో కోటికో ఒక్కరు ఎప్పుడో ఎక్కడో పుడతారు. అది మీరే మీరే మాస్టారు, మా దేవుడు మీరే మాస్టారు.